Hi, I'm Michelle, the computer lady. We're here at Cellbotics, and my partner is.
I'm Nicole. I am the cell phone repair trainer here at Cellbotics.
What we're going to talk to you today is about veterans and about veterans training. When we think about veterans, and especially those that are coming back home and they need training and development in skills other than their military occupational specialty, then we want to talk about what Cellbotics can offer veterans. Now, my father was a veteran, got a military family. When we're talking about combat veterans, people who've been out to war, and things that don't apply to civilian life now, they need training. And some people don't want to work for someone else. They want to start their own business, or they want the skills to be hired by employers that need them now, because one thing about veterans, they're dependable, they're loyal, and they're going to come to work. So with Cellbotics, we have the 8-Day Device Master. That's going to give you the cell phone and tablets, drones, TVs, and then with me, workstations, desktop, laptops, server maintenance, and printer maintenance. And the cool thing about, we have placement in some areas. So we're here to help our veterans get back on their feet when they come home.
Yeah, so we actually have some areas that we can do job placement assistance. Most come to us to just open their own business. So with that 8 days is also like a full business course on how to open, run, just everything you need to know about running a business with your new skills that you get. In addition to that, the veterans that we have been working with, if you fall under the VA rehabilitation program, they have been covering that, in addition to all of the tools that you need to start up, all the equipment that you need to start up, parts, everything. So they're covering, from what we've had with the few that we've had here, is everything is included. So the process is a little bit different. You don't just go register on the website. You basically would reach out to us directly. You can give us a call. Our information is all over our website, or you'd shoot us an email, and we would send you an invoice with the detail of all the items that you're receiving. You would then take that to your VA rehabilitation representative, and then they would contact us because they have a special form that we have to fill out, and then they will work with us to get us paid, and then you will schedule your class. So feel free to reach out. There is a way for you to get funding for this type of program. Don't look at how big it is and think you're doing that on your own. The VA is going to help you with it. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us, okay?
All right, and we salute you guys.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for your service.
Thank you.